my people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just seeing my face for the first freaking time, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I am gonna be showing you how to lighten up your dark under hands and have a lightened hands. Alright, for some reasons I myself usually get to experience dark under hands, probably because of my deodorants, which I have changed. Like, I changed another deodorant. Can you imagine that? Of course, because I don't want my underhands to get dark. All right, so when I experienced that, I used to use some natural ingredients, and one of them is what I'm going to be showing. If you want to know what my treatment is going to be, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. So if you want to get some natural beauty ingredients, you can get that on my website. And also, if you want to ask me some personal curious or beauty questions, do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. The first ingredients, we're going to be needing rice powder. Now you can make rice powder at home by yourself. Right, take some of your rice, blend it into a powdered form. Rice powder is a bit coarse in the texture, which makes it an excellent material to be used as a scrub. The fine particles help the flaky dead skin cells leave your skin in an easy way. Absorb all the sebum and leave your skin clean, smooth. For this treatment, we're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of blended rice, which is rice powder. And the next ingredients, we're going to be needing baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is a great exfoliating agent to the skin because it helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also balances the pH level of the skin. Using baking soda to scrub the dark underhand would evenly remove the dead cells that is leaving the dark hand clog. It also would brighten up the dark underhand. For the bicarbonate of soda, we're going to be taking half tablespoon, and that would go a long way. And the next ingredients, tomato. Since tomato juice is a great, excellent astringent, it will help remove dead skin cells that is blocking the pores, leaving the skin youthful again. And it also contains vitamin C, which is known to brighten up the skin. It also shrinks large and open pores, and it's going to be perfect in lightening up the dark underhands. For the tomato, I'm going to be grating the tomato, and I would love to do that in a circular motion so it can be smooth to give me a paste. Alright, so in this, I'm going to be scooping in about 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste into the treatments. And that is 2 tablespoons. And the last ingredient, we're also going to be needing some coconut oil. Coconut oil is said to be expert oil in many beauty products because it contains antibacterial and antifungal property, and it can penetrate better than any other oil. Coconut oil helps to remove dead skin cells. It nourishes the skin, lock in moisture onto your skin, removing age spots. For the coconut oil, we're going to be needing half tablespoon of the coconut oil. Then we're going to mix and stir all this ingredient together. And this smells really great. Alright, so the treatment is ready. Alright, so this is how my underarm is. The harmattan in this region is really disturbing my underarms, and that's why it's looking really dark. And here is a treatment that I'm going to be using to scrub the darkness off my hands. Alright, so I'm going to be taking with my hands the treatment. Now, I always love to use a toothbrush to, brush off, especially my dark underarms. So I'm going to be using this toothbrush, which I just got. Alright, just for this particular reason. Be scrubbing this gently with the toothbrush. Now you have to be gentle with this because the skin under the hands is not strong too. It is very soft under here. So you have to be gentle while using a toothbrush if you want to use this. So you have to use a very soft toothbrush. I'll also follow suit by using my hand to scrub. So I want to scrub thoroughly so I can have those darkness around there go off. So after scrubbing this, I'm gonna go wash this off and I will be right back. Alright, so this is how my dark underarms is looking right now after scrubbing. Alright, and I have to moisturize. Okay, I want to use the coconut oil to moisturize. So I'm going to be rubbing the coconut oil on my underarm, and that is going to keep the hand away from future darkening. So basically that's just a very simple yet effective way to lighten up your dark underarms. Alright, and this remedy is going to help so much in removing dead skin cells, so you can equally use it on your dark knee or your dark elbow. Alright, and it's going to be very helpful. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, or if you want to get some natural beauty ingredients, please do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.